Hey guys, welcome to this C programming tutorial, learning by coding. Why learning by coding? Because that's the principle. You learn by doing, you learn by practicing. So in this series of tutorial, we will be implementing, writing practice code, how to do certain things in C programming. Even if you have zero knowledge of C, by doing such thing, you'll begin to appreciate and understand the C programming language. And the theory will come as you start to get a grasp of this language. So this is a high-level language. Why high level? Because we write on a language that we understand, for instance, English. In this case, then we have a C compiler that will take what we're writing based on the syntax and compile it into a machine code. Now that machine code is what your computer CPU is going to read, but there is another stage that's involved in there because there is an assembly language as well, which is the one that's closest to the machine instruction. That's what we call a low-level language, but this is a high-level language, C programming. So it's important to know those theory, but those theory won't do much to you if you cannot practice the high-level programming language. Or you can go ahead and straight learn assembly programming language, which is also fun to do. Nowadays it's much easier to learn a high-level language because it's a reflection of our everyday languages. Okay, in these sections, we're going to be looping. We're going to be looping. Most of the exercise that will come from this section will be about looping. There will be a while loop and for loop. You have to decide which loop switch better for which code you're writing. We will learn that as we go along. So you just have to stick. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss those tutorials when they are uploaded. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, here we go. So the first one here is asking us to print integers from 0 to 14 on the output console. So our output should be something like this, from 0 all the way down to 14 on the console output. So let's go and see how we can implement that. We'll be using Block Ide, which is one of the easiest C programming IDE out there. You just download it, the one that comes with the compiler, the GCC compiler. You install it and you are ready to go. Okay, if you don't know how to get Block into your machine, just go on your browser and type Block. Then you're going to have the result and you click on download. And when you get to this page, you go on binaries. Then you must select this fourth option. Then you can either click on Force Hub or Source Forge. Then you're going to download the application. It's gonna be around 100 and something 50 megs. Then you install it, and once it's done, you are ready to go. Okay, so here it is in 4 or 5 seconds. I'm not gonna download it, so I'll close that page. Okay, so when you have Block installed, ready to go, you just come click, select new project, console application, C program. Then you have to look for where you want to install your project. Find the project folder in your machine. Then you can give your project a title. So we save it in there. Then we say integers one. Next, you can leave everything as it is, and then you go. Then you get this page. You can test run it and it's working.